Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mona's Kitchen. Today, we will make Sapin Sapin. Sapin Sapin is a Filipino dessert made of glutinous rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, and flavoring. It is called as such because it is composed of 3 layers and of 3 different flavors. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! We will need 1 1/2 cup of glutinous rice flour, half cup of rice flour, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, 2 cans of coconut milk, 1 for the sapin sapin and 1 for the latik or the topping, 1 teaspoon of jackfruit extract, and 1 teaspoon of ube extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the glutinous rice flour, and the rice flour, and then the white sugar. Give it a mix. Then pour the coconut milk, and the condensed milk. Mix them together until well combined. Then, divide the mixture into 3 bowls. Add the ube extract in one of the bowls. For the second bowl, add the jackfruit extract. Transfer the ube mixture in an 8 inches baking pan greased with oil and lined with parchment paper. Steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Then, pour the white mixture over it. And steam it again for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then, add the jackfruit mixture. And steam it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, transfer it into a wire rack to completely cool before serving. In a pan over medium heat, add the coconut milk and bring it to boil. Cook and constantly stir until the liquid evaporates and the bits left becomes golden brown. After cooking, set this aside. Once it has cooled down, top the Sapin Sapin with the latik. And here's our finished product! Sapin Sapin is a soft, chewy, and delicious midday snack or dessert. I hope you'll give this a try. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!